And we are in Gainesville, down here in Florida. We got a 352 shootout. We got Jeff gonna run his Cobra and the stick shift and true street class. And we got Zach that's being a crew chief for him. Zach does not have his car here because we are waiting on a blower for it. But everybody's kind of getting ticked in. Everybody's cleaning up the cars. We just got out of a heavy misty rain, so they're drying off the track and getting it prepped for upcoming classes. Jeff ended up running a 627, and he said the car was breaking up going down the track. So what we're going to do is try to close up some of that flow gap and run it again. It's literally been like the worst night for cars breaking. Like every third car is breaking and oiling down the track. Jeff has got to go against that Turbo Coyote twins stick shift in the stick shift class, and hopefully he can pull it off because that Turbo Coyote is fast. We're just trying to make it through the night. I'm not sure how this video is going to turn out, but we'll make the best of it. So that's all we're going to be doing for tonight. There's a lot of car breakage out here. Cars breaking down the track, standing it up on the back bumper. Jeff got put out. The car that put Jeff out broke. So we're just going to call it a night and go home and then try again on a different day. But we did learn a couple things. We had some issues with Jeff's car cutting in and out, wanting to sputter. So we narrowed it down to an ignition problem, and we're going to get that remedy and fixed. That way we come back bigger, better, and stronger next time. So, till then, we out.